Isese ne Nambozo mayuchikira batu besironko mu parliament ate state minister Karamoja affairs ngana kusima wele iti komalile census ye Uganda esikwa national census yaganika ziro mozikulu nga yonyene kuziro mozo niono kuloma bati ba youth oba basoleli niono basingamo mwinambo lino chabanga chikuyede FFE nga batangirisi bali mu government kumanya yesi kutekatekeramo ba youth befe programs ziberoze government ba youth bose besironko baziberemo nenga nga numanyire bitu biza bichuka zimbera zebulamu za zichuka bachitaga mu kubonjera mu kapesu keskulanga ku startup capital nenga inyangeno esinganikireno kusinzira kumbele liwonga kuliko kwitekatekera president wefe kweza kuba cyaliranga li 12 mwezi gomwenda ba youth bose bitekatekerera kwa ma meeting kwaganishyire ko kuzisonga zindi nenganga nibere meeting isoka kuli kwitekateka kugana kuleta birozo wonyene buli youth kusinzira kwigombolo lyesamiramo alete zisonga zeba youth be kwa batumire baze hasi mu ba youth basembayo hasi baze balete zisonga kina kyesi bagana kubona mu bisinza byawe sasa ngo mutangirisi wawe n'abawe ko majesty fesironko kuli ni gamagombola 32 kwa bani town councils ziri 10 za kufula administrative units na mu 2 zabanga zingali nenganga mbere kwabere honye no bakwigata batano oba kwigata bane oba kuba mukaga kina kuyeda ko kubanga kulowoza kitu kyonyene kubanga kuli basinga kwamya mu kifo kyonyene katanenga wasire asiyesu kwimya nesironko aliwo bukiya aliwo dahami haliwo kisinza chebu chise abo kunyala kwigata wonyene kwabanga ganika luli mironyene nebe muzikungu banyala bikala wonyene bafugirisa nefebe mu lukungu kukola china kulima butungulu kwalima cabbage kwalima bubondi kunyala kwikala wonyene kwabona chesi government nyala yakuyeda oba muze yanyala akuletera ba youth bose balombye bati mulundi gunonga mbere president eza akakubanga eza ko ni kitu kyeseza ni nacho kyesakuwa kubanga bisubizo byaberenga bisubizo nese naloze eti agokina gabere masiga yesese ndingo omutangirisi isokeyo nze nganike katane ba youth n'ababulire eti kyesu muza kukola muza kwikala muganike sesobole kuyira ezisonga zino kinanga muze yakikweza nengeza abenga asudire nga kumusubya kutaneza nga asudire nga mbera kinga kye kusudana sudatien so kwatandikire imbozi yefe kuganika kubone nyanga yesigana president ezere abenga aliko ni kyesalete ba youth basobole kwiyeda banyene baze maso kubanga efenge esironko kuli balimi ifefenga baye bujisu basinga kuli balimi kule kabali mbale site bali ni na uni industrial hub baza koyo ni kitufu ba youth befe ate bagali nabi basomire ate wera kuwa bana bajesi ba youth befe basoma baniga majesi magali so subire eti mbeba akali ni mirimo jesi bakola nga mbere president abambire ko nga batere wonyene mitie majesi gaga bali ni nago banagata wonyene babeko ni kyesu bikolera baze maso nga ba youth.
Why is it very important especially in terms of
unity is very important. The fact that it is a bargaining power, it is a tool for them to be able to bargain. When you are alone, the strength may not be enough to move a mountain. But when you put your hands together, when you synergize, you can be able to move a mountain that you would rather have not moved as an individual. When the youth put their efforts together, they will be having a strong voice to be able to get into the structures of government to accord themselves that which the government has prepared through the ministries, because we have different ministries that cut across the different needs that the youth need or the government needs. But we have those particular elements that are for the youth. Because today we have Honorable Minister Balgahara Ateng. He's the Minister for Youth Affairs in the Ministry of Gender. When we contact him, he will be able to break down the commodities that he has for the youths, especially now, especially my youth of Bugisu, or down to the youth of Sironko.
Have they embraced government programs so far, according to your own rating?
The youth of Sironko have embraced the government programs. I would say if I was to give a percentage, they are slightly above 50%. They are not doing badly, but you know, when COVID came in, most of us were pulled back. It was difficult for those who are doing business to be able to transact. So, but they are picking up. They are picking up. They're enthusiastic. That is one thing. They are determined to work and to move forward.
You talked about the president coming with something tangible this time for them.
Yeah, the president, we expect the president to come for the youth symposium that has been organized by the office of the national chairman. And we want to appreciate them for planning for our youth, for thinking for our youth. It is very important that the youth feel felt. They want to feel they are felt by the government, and therefore we want to appreciate ONC and all its members. The president is coming, and our youth feel that this time the president should come with something tangible for them, because we have got pledges that cut across right from the youth up to the adults. So if I can say they're at national level, the presidential pledges that he has made, I am sure the president has fulfilled most of the pledges, but this time as youth, they feel they don't want to run into the weak energies before they get to what they have planned in their time of the youth, their energies. So they pray that the president comes with something tangible, and that I have taken it up as a leader to go and speak to the president before he comes, so that when he comes, he's ready for them. And that implies also that I come back to the youth, and implying also further that the youth sit and agree on what they think the president should come with for them.
Your final message to the youths from all over Elgon region ahead of this symposium?
My message to the youth of Elgon, of Bugisu, first of all asking that they agree that we work together. We need to stand as one in unity. Remember the English adage that says, united we stand, divided we fall. Let's not divide ourselves against any parameters. Let it not be politics. Nothing should divide us. When we stand together, we shall be able to have a strong bargaining power. I'm your state minister. That one is, you cannot undermine that. As much as I'm a state minister for Karamoja, but we need to work together, because I come from you. I come from Sironko. I'm the woman MP for Sironko. That doesn't make me a minister, an MP in Karamoja. I'm an MP in Sironko, but a state minister sent to Karamoja. Because when we are swearing as ministers, we swear as ministers of Uganda. So I'm praying that my people understand this, and we do not divide ourselves on any parameter. We need to work together. Whatever it is, we need to put our hands together. We need to agree. Let's come to a round table. Let's disagree to agree. But we need to build ourselves. If it means turning stones around or disorganizing foundations for us to put things right, let's go back to the foundation and come back. Whether we are crawling or walking, yet we should be running right now. We need to go back and come back in the right way, so that even when we are given what the president will give us, it will be visible, it will be tangible. Because most of the times when we are busy tearing each other, we don't seem to make sense of what we are given.
Maybe what's your take about the mindset of the youth being money-minded all the time? Whenever they are called, what becomes in their mind is money.
About money, you heard someone saying, I think it is a common saying that someone says, "Twagala chimu, twagala sente." We all know that money is a driver, it is a fuel that runs everything, but I pray to the youth of Bugisu, we need the capital, the council capital in us, the wisdom in us. The wisdom in us is what will drive us more than the money. The money comes after. Even if you had money, but you're not using your social capital, you're not using the capital that God, the inherent capital, you will not be able to make headway. So I pray that as much as we need the money, let's first sit down and agree on what we are going to do. If you don't plan, you plan to fail. So we need to plan before the money comes, because the money will always come. but has it found you planned or unplanned?
Limit. Mwanyala Masina Yoweri Kelvin Obaira, District Youth Chairperson w'Esironko ku National Youth Council ya Uganda. Luna kulecha lero kwa makuba no kwa Adoption Center Esironko ni staff ya ONC. Mu meeting ni kulembeze be basolera kwa makuma gombolo ko preparing ahead of the Bugisu Youth Symposium. It is slated for 12th of September mwaka guno. So isonga ya makuleta ano kwa makugana kwitekatekera mukolo ogwo ku mobilizing abasole bachafi kwa makubyalo kubona kuti bakwigatako abeze bawule kwa MS president ngesonge kuliyene mwasirire theme yegu mukolo guno symposium iri ku mindset change ye basoleri ni social economic transformation. So basoleri basubire bigali kwa MS umukulembeze kukusomesa of course mulimo bindi project bezere nizinga limabyano zesikuza kwikala kubone kina cyese kutakupepa kusobolese kubanga ku presenting yes president kusobya kuti symposium iri first of its kind yeretewe ni ONC za kuyeda ko kigali mabyo kuba soleri vefe compared inyuma yes bere ku kafunire kabiye ku interacting ako ni president ngabasoleri dabisera bisingebe ku interacting naye but not as the youth. So we thank ONC kubanga ya lobbying symposium and hope for the best as the young people of Bugisu.
Nyomwe bali kujja, thank you very much. Ugana kusima organizers. Fenge Sironko mwanyala mwakumizire meromo kulukuza kwikalanga ni bafubuka youth leaders. We come up with something inga bafubuka be Bugisu. Nechengana likakasa 100%. We welcome the idea. We are so happy. And I know we shall achieve. So that is what I can say. Kenya Nagani Kaketo, but this is what we are going to have because I have not met with the youth. I'm going to meet with them and I'll report back. Thank you. Nasigalenga nambale Felix, NRM Youth Chairperson.
Amanya gange bampita mchala na bukwasi Jane Josephine. Ndi kansala ku district y'Esironko. Chikirira bawakazi. Na yewano Office of the ONC nchikiride Commissioner Sister Mary Wasagali wa Equal Opportunities ye coordinator coordinating ONC in Esironko district. Ekigenderera kya meeting eno tukunze abafubuka bajje wamu kubanga waliyo symposium egenda kubeerayo nga 12 omwezi gw'omwenda Mbale district. Abavubuka bagenda kusinkana omukulu w'eggwanga ng'agenda kubasomesa ebikwatagana engeri gye bayinza okukyusamu endowooza yaabwe ng'abavubuka. Kati meeting ya leero tubakunze babeere wamu boogereko ebintu ebiyinza okubaleetera ekulaakulana ng'abayusi. Kati nga bwe bagenda mu musomo ogwo naye babeeko n'ekintu kyebayinza okutwala eri ow'omukulu kyebayinza okugamba nti ffe abavubuka b'Esironko twali badde omukulembeze waffe w'eggwanga atukwatireko ku kino na kino tulyoke tuve mu bwavu. Abavubuka abasinga bagamba tebalina ssente za kutandikawo business. Ate n'ekirala okugenda okwewola ssente tebalina security. Bw'ogenda mu banka baagala collateral security. Abavubuka gye tebalina. Kati n'abavubuka abalala abaasomako tebalina emirimu. Kati ekintu ekyo kye kireeterwa okuleetera abavubuka okulemerera okuvaayo mu nkulaakulanya. Naye n'ekirala ne mindset tulina abalala banyooma emirimu. Kati ebirowoozo bino abavubuka gye tubabawadde bajja kuvaayo bamanye nti buli kintu kyokola naye nga kivaamu ssente walibadde ng'okikola ki okikola. Kati abavubuka baffe bakkiriziza bagenda kuddayo batuule bawe ebirowoozo balabe ebintu ki bye bayinza okukola ate bakolere wamu as a teamwork.
Yoweri Kelvin Obaira, I'm the district youth chairperson. Yoweri Calvin Ovaira, the District Youth Chairperson of Sironko on the National Youth Council of Uganda. Today we are here in Sironko with ONC Secretariat for a preparatory meeting ahead of the Bugisu Youth Symposium slated for 12th of September 2024. The main reason for this symposium is the President interacting and of course trying to lecture the youth on the mindset and socio-economic transformation. I want to thank the office of the ONC for lobbying for this symposium. It's the first of its kind and hope it is very important. We are here basically today to mobilize the young people. Mobilize the young people that come 12th of September, let's be there in big numbers and listen to the President. We raise our issues, the issues affecting the young people on that day. We raise to him, he listens to us, and of course being the head of state, he will have to see how best he can support us as the young people.
What are your major expectations?
Of course, one, according to the theme, is the mindset change. The President has been talking about this. He's going to lecture the young people on the mindset change and, of course, socio-economic transformation. The ONC has been has engaged mostly in the empowerment of the young people. So we expect the young people being empowered. Come that day, there is the issue of cooperative coming in to unite the youth so that they can get funds within the cooperative and support their projects. So we hope for the best. We're expecting much from His Excellency the President.